guys? Thanks for stopping in on my day today. We are doing something that I am very excited about because it's very interesting.
Hi, Mom! Short, medium, tall.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, so
Short.
this is Jacob Sadler right here. Now, Jacob Sadler drives a 2016, you tell him about it, it's your car.
It's a 2016 Ford Mustang GT with Corsa Extremes. It's on Eibach Racing Springs, which is half an inch in the back and full inch in the front. C&O racer air intake and oil separator and a tune. Soon that thing's gonna be on a Whipple supercharger E85. It's gonna have a two-step in it. It's gonna have a brand new ECU. It's gonna be on coilovers. Yeah.
So as you can tell,
I just learned your whole life story.
So as you can tell, a car guy, but not specifically a truck guy yet.
I've never driven a truck in my life except for a Silverado and an old F100 when I was like 4 years old. So getting into a diesel immediately and just jumping in.
Especially a lifted one.
Yeah. From a lowered Mustang GT. This is gonna be an amazing experience, and I'm scared for my life.
Now, the person to tell you about the other truck you're gonna be driving, you got this.
Yeah, I got my truck. I mean, you can't see it over there, but you get in it later. You'll see that I have my Dodge Ram truck over there, 2009. It's on a 6-inch lift with 35s on it. So this is gonna be interesting to see going from mine and then to the diesel truck.
Yeah.
It's gonna be
so I guess you went. I guess we're doing ties first.
Guess we are.
All right, let's
There
do
you
it.
go.
All right, so Jay, the exhaust, I did it myself, so it won't fall off.
That's funny. This is gonna be the mate.
Ty, how do you feel right now? Because he's driving your truck.
This is weird. I don't think I've ever. This is actually the first time someone's ever driven my truck where I sat right here.
Like everything?
Yeah,
Except for me.
Yeah, I mean you, but like this is someone like different. Like this
Yeah, I know.
is weird.
I'm so confused.
Please don't hit my truck. That was really close.
My Mustang.
This is actually, I have to admit, first time ever driving a truck. It's like driving a Mercedes.
This thing rides nice. You're gonna find out pretty soon what doesn't ride nice.
Oh boy, I'm actually. I like it a lot. It's very comfortable.
Yeah.
I was going for the clutch.
You were going for the clutch?
I was going for the clutch. Wow, my first time hitting a hole. This is fun. Very amusing.
Yeah. How do you like being so high up? You like being lower down?
I like being low. Can we get the off-road experience?
I mean, where?
There actually is a road that your truck can make it down right here, Ty.
Alright, let's go this way. Oh, we took our first right. Whoa!
Well, the whole time.
How was the right compared to the left? Was that different?
Amazing.
Alright.
Off-road experience. Oh, it's very bumpy. I don't like it.
I don't like the noises.
That's all the off-road experience you wanted?
Hey, you want to go down the road?
A loop and...
You want to go down there?
I'll loop. It'll fine by me.
What? I mean, if someone told me to go off-roading, alright.
Yeah, I know. The Raptor's been down that road.
So, any thoughts besides?
It amuses me.
Alright.
Ty, any initial reactions of someone driving your truck since it's been, 5 minutes?
It's definitely, it's weird because I'm not driving, so it's like I can't control it really.
Yeah.
But he's not doing bad. It's pretty good so far. And I do notice how nice my truck back is just. This is crazy.
Wait, do you guys actually want me to go off-road?
Well, yeah, do it.
Okay.
Not mine.
First off-roading experience. I feel like I need a shotgun and some whiskey.
I feel like I'm going to be pulling somebody out in a second. We'll have to go all the way back to my house, get the straps.
I got straps.
Okay.
Whoa.
Should I just keep going?
Yeah, just keep going.
Turn off traction control.
No,
Don't let off it. Do not let off. You have to stay on it.
Oh, okay. It's like at the beach, kind of.
There's nowhere to
floor
turn.
it.
Hey, by the way, there's nowhere to turn around over here. So if it gets too treacherous, yeah, you have to kind of like turn around up here.
Yeah.
Because there's nowhere after this. So hey, you may not make it in there.
Yeah. Yeah, you ain't making it in that one. So come up here on that.
Go to the left.
Go left.
Go to the left. Don't go straight.
Go up. Go up in the thing.
Oh.
All the way up. All the way up. All the way up. Cut it. There you go. There you go.
So where do I go now?
So you want to? You're gonna have to do a couple point turns.
So
You're
right
getting
here.
stuck.
Oh yeah, I'm getting stuck. Ty?
You know, you take over.
Ty, yeah.
Yeah, let Ty take it. By the way, a little bit of information that Ty is not trying to hide is the fact that it is two-wheel drive, so we might be a little screwed. Ty, you ain't making it in this. There is no way. You're marrying it. Yeah, I can't see anything anymore. It's gone. It tastes like dirt right now.
That was fun.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Ty, you did good. I gotta give you that one.
You definitely got up the off-roading.
That was fun. That was.
All right, Jake, you ready? Click the lock button and then double tap the 2 times. Now unlock it.
I got up there.
Gosh, this side is way harder.
I'm having fun already.
Wow, that was powerful.
We'll see how I like it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I made smoke. I'm enjoying myself already.
You know?
All right, for legal purposes, we're gonna drop off the trucks at my house and then we're gonna take the truck from there. So we're gonna cut to that. It's a good song, isn't it?
Price is Astra.
You actually listen to this music?
Yeah.
You actually?
Yeah.
We're all small. We're all.
Play this right now.
Wait, let me see. Oh, it is Glenn Miller. I was like,
Yeah.
it's like, it is.
All right.
This
cop
is
your
cool.
eye.
You ready to really drive the truck now?
Yes.
Like on the open road?
Yes.
All right, well, let's go ahead and do it. What are we waiting for?
Yeah. Bye guys. I'll see y'all later.
I didn't say bye.
That was a nice Roush Mustang.
You comment on the Mustang and not the truck.
This is fun.
I like the Terpskis.
I'm thinking like it's a Mustang. Like I can just go through and cut.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, do not cut in between vehicles. Go ahead and end it here. Final thoughts on the truck. Overall, over-encompassing thoughts on the truck.
Most fun I've had in a lifted vehicle. I'll say that.
Okay.
It doesn't beat my car
Yeah.
with pickup time and acceleration time,
Yeah.
but
It's not as fast as your car, and that's
Yes.
okay. It's a truck. It's not
a
made
truck.
to. You know, one of these days we'll get a Z06 and then we'll, you know.
One of these days I'll get a GT500.
Hey, you want to thank everybody for stopping in on my day and then tell them to subscribe and hit that notification bell on the bottom?
Well, thank you everybody from Jake and Bake, from his deepest song of his heart, for stopping in on Kevin's YouTube channel. Remember to like, flag it, don't subscribe. Yeah, I'll see y'all later. Please follow me on Instagram, OrangeCrushS550. Go ahead, thank you. But have a great day. Love y'all.
You heard it straight from him, guys. Go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell. Check out Jacob Sadler and Orange Crush S550. I'm out.